Hi everyone, if you want to take better black and white photos, this video is for you. Shooting in black and white is a timeless and expressive approach to photography that focuses on tone, contrast, shape, and emotion rather than color. It has a unique power to simplify the scene and draws attention to the essential elements of storytelling and composition. Today's video is a detailed breakdown of techniques, why to shoot in black and white, and also why it is so unique. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the techniques in shooting black and white. When you shoot black and white, you emphasize on light and shadow. And the light is the foundation of black and white photography. Without color, you have to emphasize on contrast and lighting and use them as tools to define form and mood. Therefore, I recommend that when you're shooting black and white, it's better to look for directional light that creates strong shadows and highlights. Also, you can train your eye to see in monochrome. Many cameras and EVFs, especially in mirrorless cameras like Nikon ZF and Z6 III, let you switch to a monochrome preview mode, helping you compose better for your black and white. Another approach to get better black and white photos is to use contrast creatively. High contrast emphasizes mood and structure, where low contrast conveys softness and nostalgia. It is very crucial to adjust your exposure to retain details in highlights and shadows. And this is especially important when you're shooting raw and you want more flexibility in post-processing. Patterns, lines, and texture stand out when you exclude color. Surfaces like rough stone, smooth skin, or rippling water come alive in monochrome. Remember to simplify the composition with color gone. Strong composition is essential. Use negative space, lines, texture to draw and guide your viewer's eye. And every color that is in your image is gonna represent a tone. When you're using an editing software, you can use color channels and color adjusters to convert these colors to the gray that you desire. For example, the reds are gonna become something like a dark gray, where the yellow is going to become a light gray. When you're using Adobe Lightroom, you can use color sliders to create mood. If you want to learn more about how to change a color photo into black and white, watch this video of mine. In this video, I have covered 3 different ways to convert color photos into stunning black and white photos. Now let's talk about why black and white photography is so unique. The first reason is that it takes away the distraction, the color. Without color, the photographer emphasizes on composition, expression, and light, which are the essence of photography. For example, portraits in black and white reveal more of character and emotions than appearance, and they emphasize form over hue. Shapes, lines, and patterns are more pronounced because color is not competing for attention. Architecture, street, and landscape photography benefit from this clarity. Black and white feels classic and never goes out of style. It connects today's photographers to the long history of photography. And now let's see why so many people, so many photographers want to shoot in black and white. Because black and white can tell a stronger story. As I mentioned before, you need to exercise and train your eye to see your surroundings in monochrome, and today's cameras and EVFs can help you with that. If you want to know about training your photography eye, I recommend that you see this video of mine. Now let's go together and take a look at some statements from famous photographers, well-known photographers, and see what they have said about black and white photography. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it helps you to take the first step into the world of black and white photography, and you're going to be amazed. I promise you that. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you give me motivation and support to make these videos. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday, and by subscribing you won't be missing any of the upcoming videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and it's going to be my pleasure to answer them. And as always, take good care of yourself, keep shooting, and I see you soon. Cheers.